Today I'm going to talk about revision. Revision, as we know, is one of the best exercises to change your mind and your conception of yourself. So it's one of the best exercises to manifest anything you want in life. As Neville says, it is a most healthy and productive exercise to daily relive the day as you wish you had lived it, revising the scenes to make them conform to your ideals. What you need to do in revision is when you go home after a long day, right before you sleep, you gotta revise the day the way you want it to happen. For example, if your boss treated you bad, you had a problem with your car, or you were tired, you gotta revise the opposite. So the positive way. No matter what happened that day, you must revise it the way you want it to happen. So you use imagination for this, and the feeling will come naturally. When you feel joy about the things you like, how the day went in your imagination, you will feel better and more confident about the next day. This is recommended to do it 2 times a day. So start it from today. Don't forget to revise the day the best way you can.